welcome back to my channel. This video we're going to talk about some fashion tips on how to get car filler off of your pants.
Alright, step one,
Let it dry.
peel it off.
And step two, peel it off. Ta-da!
So close. So it turns out I just got off, or I was texting Brian, and he actually did make contact in that spin out. So he said that the car's no longer pretty. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize you were drifting. I'm sorry. I failed. Oh! Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, I'm so sad.
Whoa, my goodness. Careful. Oh, gee.
Nope. This is the quarter panel.
Oh, it's not the color. You gotta paint it.
Yep. So what I'm trying to do is trying to keep this lip, just a little bit of this lip, so that I can fold it over. The old one, so that this corner is nice. I'll use the new bit of the wheel arch, because the old wheel arch kind of folds in a little bit here. And that's basically all we're going to use, just this little chunk here where we got our bash. Oh, it smells like burnt something or other.
Oh boy. Ah.
Let me grab my file.
Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna fall over. Ah! Oh. Okay.
File not found. Just take some of the burrs off.
Oh boy. There's the car. Whoa, whoa, what's going on? There's like all this stuff, smoke.
I don't know, maybe I set it on fire.
Oh shit.
You know, that thing I never do.
Yeah, how's the progress going?
Good. Got some rust down here.
Uh-oh. What are you gonna do?
Unrust it
Okay.
with my unrusting shillelagh.
Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, did you just like literally hammer a hole through it?
Yep. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to do another retrace and fine tune it a little bit now that we can set this in here. Mm-hmm. I think this actually needs to come up a little bit, maybe.
Okay.
Just a hair.
I don't know.
But it's pretty close.
Okay, we finished. Oh.
Let's go home.
All right, guys. That was a great video. See you guys next time. Bye.
So when Kelsey wasn't here, I actually went ahead and welded this stuff. So the panel is actually kind of stitched in. Okay. Alright, so we're not using Bondo because Bondo is junk. We're using this Evercoat Rage. This is premium body filler. This stuff you can actually feather it a little bit better than the Bondo, and it doesn't get the pinholes and all that. We're going to have to do a couple coats of this
Okay.
to actually get it built up high enough.
But the stuff that's on
God damn it.
the stuff that's
Got my
on
shoe.
I'm trying to talk. All right, so the stuff that's like on the part of the car that's already good though, like what are you gonna do about that? Like the stuff that you're putting over the blue.
You gotta like feather it and float it out.
Okay.
See, if you put the pressure on the edge, it kind of brings it down to zero around the edge.
Yeah, I can see that. I'll let everyone else see it too at home. little yellow tool you have?
That's what she said.
What are you, Simpson? Why is it yellow? Your head's in my shop, boy. Putting it into the paint gun.
Got myself a new line dryer on here.
Oh, good.
Hopefully this gun still works.
Oh no, don't jinx it.
This thing's got a few uses on it, and it is a Harbor Freight gun, so. Alright, so I just kind of misted it for the first coat. That's what I usually do, because if there's anything on here that causes a reaction, it makes it much worse if you try to put on a heavy coat first. So,
yeah.
And actually you're a lot less likely to get a reaction with a mist. And then once the mist hardens, it kind of protects it from having a further reaction.
Cool.
With the wetter coats that we're going to put on next.
Good tip. Woo! Oh my god. So?
Color's a little off.
A little bit.
There's no dent, so that's a good thing.
I know, it's so cool. You did such a good job with that. We'll just have to figure out how to get the color to match it better. Perfect timing for yours truly, Brian. Focus. He's doing better. He says he's getting better at feeling the part. I think that's Max's. Woo! Hey! Be next to each other in the line, because then I have to choose film. That was a good lap. All right, going to Maxie, go. Epic. All right, that was a better ending. Here he is. Tandem. Oh my gosh. Ah! Woo! That headlight thing looks so good. Looks so good. Oh, hey! Oh! All right. Way to finish it. That was good. Yeah! Woo! All right! Woo! Here they go again. Yay! Yes! Oh, okay. It didn't spin out. That's good.
awesome. I can't believe just like zip tying that sensor to a
Oh
hard
yeah, it
line
fits,
helped.
right?
That was a stab.
Oh, that was awesome. Ah, what'd you think? How'd you feel?
I could see him in my rear view. I'm like shitting in my pants, but like also like so fucking excited.
Right? Oh, it's so great. All right.
That was awesome. When I saw you like hit the dirt.
Oh my gosh, it was epic.
I'm just gonna
It was
I was
epic.
hoping that you were gonna take the shallow lines. That would have been fucked. But
Yeah, I mean, the last one wasn't as tight as like our first one.
No, but it was
still
so good. It was
awesome.
epic at the end.
It was fun. Yeah, and then at the end I was like, I put my hand on it, I was like, yeah. I spun out.
Yeah, I got that.
I spun out like right in the exit.
yeah, no, I won't do that because I know I'll spit out. Yeah, that was awesome.
So that was the first time me and Maxie ever tandemed, and it went pretty well.
First time I've ever tandem at all.
So I got all your tandems, Maxie.
That's kind of why I wanted to come here, is because you and I would be in the same run group.
You did it! Yay!
So
And you're gonna come to Drift Kitchen, New Jersey.
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe.
I really want to start tandeming with the girls. That feels so good. That feels so fucking good.
I can't believe my car started working again, because I was just like, it was so down on power, and I was like, I'm just gonna zip tie the sensor against a hard line. Maybe it'll pick up some of the.
My sway bar zip tied.
Yeah, it is. Yep.
Holy
Don't tell the tug guys.
Like the car was literally taken apart this morning from being painted, and I had to put it all back together.
It
Just
looks very good for what it looked like before. Like you did a good job.
the color,
The color's off.
the whole car needs to be better.
Have combo painted. Pay mine $800, baby.
I should just, yeah, I could do that, I guess.
So your car feels good now?
Yeah, it started ripping all of a sudden. Like that time that you went wide and I passed you, I was like, fuck it. And I just
Yeah, I was
See,
like,
I came
you should have heard me
screaming
talking.
down the street,
I saw you. I was like, okay, that's what we're doing.
I came in so high, ripped the e-brake halfway down the street.
All right, so you want to say your outro, Brad?
That was my outro.
That whole thing?
Yeah.
I've been rolling for 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. All right, well,
All right, so
oh, go ahead.
we got the car painted.
Woo!
I stayed up like till 3 o'clock in the morning every night this week, and with hopes that we'd get to go out here and run in the same run group as
And
Maxie,
we did it!
and we did.
Yay!
When we first got here, I was really like disappointed because the car wasn't running good.
Me too.
Somehow it worked out. It was good.
All right.
Vibes.
Woo! That's a wrap.